Can we look at the communal areas? Yeah? All right. We'd spend most of the time outside anyway, yeah. Down by the pool, enjoying the sun.
And I like that we could sit on our balcony here. I love that it has the gates, the gated area. It's completely safe.
The main pool is all fenced as well.
Yeah, so you're only really having the residents around here too.
Exactly.
Gorgeous
Lovely.
pool, really nice pool.
It is really nice.
And then kind of walking a little bit further up that way, again, I'll just show you kind of literally just past this line of properties here. You've just got some open kind of planted areas and everything like that, which is nice.
Yeah, it's very clean. It's I'm impressed. I am.
And again, it's nice and quiet as well. I mean, there is a mix here. You know, you have got a lot of residents full-time on here. You've got holiday homes as well. All over there, you know, super clean, super tidy. You know, it's all irrigated.
That's all part of your fees would be. So as well, like it was 54?
54 a month.
Which, can look at the job they're doing. It's good value for money.
It's money well spent.
No, I do. I really like it. It's definitely something to think about.
It's got the 2 bedrooms. Obviously, 3 would be great, you know. But yeah, I think for where we are as well in Costa Antigua, you know, you have got the bits around you.
It's not too far from Caleta either. Yeah. The position of the property is a good position compared to, like, it's nice to be there rather than around the corner there.
Exactly.
Yeah, because you're looking right out to the pool
And you have your beach views as well. You couldn't get a better position.
Yeah.